Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your rear O2 sensor in your 2009 Toyota Yaris. Well, or overseas, Vios Gen 2, second gen. In the United States is the Yaris. So, what you're gonna need is a rear O2 sensor. I got OEM like always, unless it's performance, but like always, I also put part numbers and everything in the description of each video. So the part number for the OEM one is 89465-52430. You're going to need that. You are going to need an oxygen sensor socket. This one is 22 mil, 7/8. You're going to need an extension and an extended 10 mil. So what we're going to do, before I go underneath the car, the connection comes up through here to the driver's side, behind the carpet. Let me show you. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be removing this right here, so I can give you a good viewing angle of where the connection is. But if you remove the carpet, this is the wiring harness for the oxygen sensor, and it goes right behind the air duct right here. So I could just reach back here and disconnect it, but I want to show you exactly where it's at. So I'll be removing this. So what you want to do, pull this out. We ain't gonna worry about this 10 mil bolt. We're just gonna worry about this one because we only gotta remove this side. So I'm gonna put my extension on. I'm gonna try and make this video quick because it's trying to storm again. So do that. Move the little 10 mil. We're gonna lift this up. Lift it up and over. And then next, we're gonna move this 10 mil bolt. So move it on its side. Got that. And then not having to worry about removing the two 10 mils that's in here. All I'm gonna do is just what I did, just pretty much pull it forward. So now we want, I think we should be good removing it like this. Oh yeah, forgot, gotta remove this one too. Alright, there you go. Because it goes all the way up to here. So pull it towards you. Pull it out. That'll save you the hassle of removing the whole entire center console. And that's the connection for the O2. So what you want to do is a clip. I might have to switch hands. Or I might actually have to put the camera down. I'll show you on this. Let me take it out the packaging. I'm sorry if I'm rushing. I'm trying to hurry before it starts storming again. So the little tab to release will be on this side. So it's right here, and then you want to pull downwards. Let me see if I can stitch it up somewhere. Alright. So push the tab in and pull downwards. And then just feed it through. Feed it through, and then that's where it goes through the body of the car, just pushing on the rubber grommet and just push the wire out. Dude, the hole right there. Just push it out. And then now we're ready to go underneath the car and remove the oxygen sensor. So I'm gonna grab my little socket. Alright, so now that we're underneath the car, we wanna feed the socket through. Let me take it back off the socket. So feed it through. That's all. It's an open ledge. Feed it through. And then get your ratcheting wrench. And then just break it loose. Alright, and now once you got it broken loose, untie it. I mean, not untie it, unscrew it. And then get your new one. I already got the NLCs on it. So just screw it in. I might have to move the camera. Yeah, hold on. Alright, and then do the same thing. I'll shut the cameras on it. If the camera is on it, you just want to tighten it. Wrong way. Make sure it's tight. Alright. Pick this up. And then once it's tight, feed it back through the hole. And then I'm sure the camera's picking that up. Let's see if I can focus. Alright, there you go. Let's feed it back through the hole. See, there you go. Sorry in advance, trying to do this on one hand. So now that's in there, that's all tight, and now we're gonna go back to the top. Alright, so we're back in the car. So you wanna make sure, let me turn the flash on. You wanna make sure your gasket is flush as so. Like it is, that's to guarantee that it's properly sealed. And then you get the rear oxygen sensor harness and slide it right behind. Show you that right here. Slide it right behind the air duct like it was. That's so. And then this little triangle piece you see right here, that's for the clip. That faces this way. Going towards the passenger side. So you slide it in. You want to hear a click when it's fully in. That's so. And then what you want to do, reattach your carpet with the Velcro. Alright, so now we're going to put this back on. This little ledge, whatever you want to call it, goes right here into this slot. And then all these yellow tabs you see, or some cars that got the pink ones, go in their respective places. One there, there, and there. So make sure it slides into the hole down there. And then just hook everything back up. You want to bend this outward still. And these little holes, this one and this one's supposed to go over top these little notches, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna set the camera down. Alright, and then once you get it back in this place, push down on the tabs. You hear the clicks. You want to feed this back in, just bend it. Now it's back in place. Put your 10 mils back in. You want to tighten them. Happy the rain's holding up so far. Alright, tighten it back. And then put these back on. You hear the clicks. And then slide this back on like this. Put your e-brake up, that way you could put it in. Then same thing. You hear the clicks, letting you know that it's back to being secure. And last piece, and that's it. That's how you replace a rear O2 sensor. Yeah, 2007-2012 Toyota Yaris. I also will put, like I said, part numbers in the description. All the following vehicles with the 1NG FE engine that had the same part number, I'll also put that in the description below. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.